Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some giveaway winnings I won from May Flowers and Creative Moons. And she was part of a collaboration called Dollar Tree Sleds. And it came. Let's see. I'm all excited, guys. So, I know what I kind of want because she showed it, but still, it's always fun when you get it. So, she picked up the little fairy garden stuff, and that was her prize. So look at, you get the little, looks like little shops, little Sunday shops. Oh, the little people. Oh, aren't they cute? And look at the little signs. Cute. I have a plan for these already. And oh, look at arcade, little snow or ice cream cone. Them are so cute. Oh, there's a card. So I was just pulling out of the bag. Oh my god. This is full of funny, guys. Ah, it's cows! Moo, Coast Gracie. Holy cow, you're nice. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much for joining in the giveaway. Congratulations. I hope your village arrives intact. Mere herds can't express my gratitude, Linda, aka Mayflowers and Creative. You will see as if you watch this as I go along. So far they have, and I love the card because I'm a cow fanatic. So this is funny. I'm gonna put this in a frame actually. That's gonna go in my kitchen. Yeah, I have a thing for cows. Okay, let's see. I'm just. Oh, look at the little. I don't remember what they call them when they have wings, but to me it's a unicorn. Little balloons, a little cake. Okay, and there's stuff wrapped up, so I'm just gonna slowly pull it out. Oh, look at it, it's a little ice cream truck. Oh, it's a little ice cream truck. Look at that. Oh, it's a little ice cream shop. These are cute. I don't think these came in my Dollar Tree. If they did, I didn't see them. Oh, and it's a little fairy with a cupcake. Oh, it's a little gumball machine. Oh, it's a little fairy riding a llama. It's on a llama. And then we got another one of these little candies. So cute. And we got the little cake in cups. Looks like you sit on there. That's cute. And then we got the ice cream cones. And a little castle with the ice cream top. So far, nothing's broke. Okay. I have all this bubble wrap hanging around. And another little ice cream shop. Those are adorable. That's a cool prize. These are cute. Cute, cute. I am actually going to do this in a planter I have. That I am going to do me like a little fairy thing. They look cute in a little girl's room as well. You know, if you're doing a little girl's room for a like ice cream style, it'd be cute. I want to lay them down so you guys can see them. Like, oh, my camera got moved. I hope my video didn't suck here. I didn't realize my camera moved. So I'll show them one more game just in case. So you got the little ice cream shop. Looks like that. Another little ice cream shop with a cherry on top. Get the little ice cream truck. Kind of looks like a little castle to me. Look at the top, a little swirl of ice cream. And then we have little ice cream cones. And then we have the little fairy on a llama. This is cute. Oop. And then we have the gumball machine. And then a little table. And then the fairy with a little cupcake, like she's praying. And then all the little packages, got some candy. And then little people. Looks like a little girl. Looks like my granddaughter Riley right there. And then we got a little cake, some balloons, and a little unicorn or Pegasus. I think it is with wings, they call it. And then we got arcade, a little, looks like a heart and an ice cream cone. We got a little popsicle, or a circle with some frosting, a heart, a candy cane. And then we got these little ones that got little doors in, so they look like little shops. And then another looks like a shake. These are so cute. Thank you, thank you. Plus the awesome card. I mean, it's all awesome. From Mayflower's Creative Moons, and her name is Linda. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. So if you're not subscribed to her, go over and subscribe to her. She did cute sled. I loved her sled. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, everybody.